If you are ready to take the next leap in your career and make a real difference in people's lives, if you want to positively impact the people around you and be able to work anywhere in the world, look no further. For the first time since March 2022, we will deliver our world-renowned Train the Trainer course in person in London from the 10th to the 14th of June. The Train the Trainer program provides you with extensive knowledge of British and international etiquette and a recognized certification that enables you to work as an etiquette coach in any part of the world. We work with you to develop your business plan, presentation skills, and delivery, ensuring you leave feeling confident about your new business venture. All qualified trainers become part of the British School of Excellence alumni network, and we continue to offer follow-up support, advice, and further training to enhance your business. The course includes our comprehensive course booklet, ILM Part of City and Guilds certificate, CPD certificate, and the British School of Excellence certificate. Take advantage of this incredible opportunity to join us in London in June this year. Please email us hello@thebritishschoolofexcellence.com. We are so excited and look forward to welcoming you.